To add a Kroger delivery order and use SNAP grocery delivery on Kroger. Follow these steps. First, download the Kroger mobile app or visit the Kroger website to begin the process. Create an account or sign in if you already have one to access the online shopping platform. Next, navigate to the grocery section and start adding items to your cart by searching for products or browsing through the various categories. Make sure to check if the items you are adding are eligible for SNAP benefits. Once you have added all the items you need, proceed to the checkout section. Here, you will need to select your preferred delivery time and location. Kroger offers various delivery time slots, so choose the one that suits you best. At the payment section, select EBT as your payment method and enter your card details. You can split your order payment between SNAP and another payment method if needed. Review your order summary to ensure everything is correct before submitting it. After placing your order, you will receive a confirmation email with your order details and estimated delivery time. On the day of delivery, you will receive a notification when the driver is on their way. Be present to receive your order and have your EBT card ready for verification if needed. It is essential to note that not all Kroger locations offer delivery, and SNAP eligibility may vary depending on your location. Check the Kroger website or mobile app to see if delivery is available in your area and which items are eligible for SNAP benefits. By following these steps, you can easily add a Kroger delivery order and use SNAP grocery delivery on Kroger.